Hi, Alex. Did you finish your homework?
No, Mom. Can I do it later? I want to play with my friends.
No, Alex. You need to finish your homework first.
But, Mom, it's so boring.
Homework is important. You must do it before you can play.
Why can't I just do it later?
Because if you do it now, you will have more time to play later.
I don't like doing homework.
I know, but it's good for you. It helps you learn.
Can I just do a little now and more later?
No, you need to do all of it now. Then you can play without worrying.
Fine. What do I have to do?
Check your assignments. Do the math and reading first.
Math is hard. Can you help me?
Yes, I can help. Let's start together.
Okay, but can we be quick?
We will go as fast as we can, but you need to focus.
Alright, Mom. I'll try my best.
Good. The sooner you finish, the sooner you can play.